Hello, in section 8 about working with real hosted data. In the previous section we have learned about single page application, Angular routing, and how to create routes and Angular navigation links. In this section at the beginning we will cover an Angular HTTP service. Then using Angular service we will learn how to get remote data or how to post the data to the server, and at the end we will update UI when we receive some data. So in this video we are gonna focus on Ajax request, and it will be an introduction to Angular HTTP client. Ajax request. Most front-end applications communicate with backend services over the HTTP protocol. For example, if we want to fetch the data from the server and display the data to the user. And we can do that using Ajax, which stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. And as I mentioned in the previous section about single page application, when we are making a request to the server and that will respond with some data, we don't want to refresh the browser. And that's happened when we are making a normal request. But using Ajax, we can retrieve the data from the server without reloading the page. Angular HTTP service. Modern browsers support two different APIs for making HTTP requests: the XML HTTP request interface and the Fetch API. Angular provides for us an HTTP client, which is a simplified API for HTTP functionality. HTTP client uses the XML HTTP request browser API to execute HTTP request. It also includes testability support, strong typing of request and response object, request and response interceptor support, and better error handling via APIs based on observables. In order to execute HTTP request of a specific type, you can use the following methods, which corresponds to the HTTP verbs like get, post, put, delete, path, head, and JSONP. In this video, we have learned about Ajax request, and I've introduced you into an Angular HTTP client.